Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will explain how to get in and how to start your GWM Haval vehicles in case there is an emergency where your key does not talk to the vehicle at all. There are generally two scenarios that you will have this problem. One is your vehicle's 12-volt battery is completely flat or dead. That means your car cannot talk to the key at all. The second reason is your car key runs out of battery or is low on battery, or there are some signal blocking between the car key and the vehicle. That means in both scenarios, you may not be able to have access to the doors, or you may not be able to start the vehicle. So follow the step and let's get through that. First thing is to unlock the doors. If your car key does not work by pressing the unlock button at all, that just means your car key is not talking to the vehicle. What you want to do, you want to use your mechanical key to open the driver door. Open your driver door, and from inside, you want to push this cover open, just like that. You can just push by your finger, you don't have to use a tool at all. Once you open this cover, you see the cover case is completely out. Next, you want to go to the car key, go to the back of the car key and push this down. That allows you to open the car key case. Now we want to use the mechanical key blade, push it all the way in, twist it on the right. Twisting on the right means unlock, twisting on the left means lock. Once you open the door with the mechanical key, this may trigger the alarm. When the alarm is ringing, do not panic. What you want to do, go to the next few steps to make sure you can start the vehicle. Or if your car key still works, use the mechanical key, press the unlock button. That may solve the problem of the alarm. Once you are inside the vehicle, if the vehicle 12-volt battery is healthy and if the car key still works, you will be able to start it by put the foot on the brake, press this button. But if your 12-volt battery is healthy and you believe it is healthy, but the car is still not sensing the key, this is what you want to do. You want to go to your center console and open the console cover. Under the console cover, you'll see this sensor over here. That means we want to place our car key underneath, either on the top or at the bottom on the other side. That means even if the car key runs out of battery, it's not talking to the vehicle at all with its sensor inbuilt. With this place, it can still talk to the cover. And after you place the key over there, we want to go back, foot on the brake, press the button, the car should start. And after all that, if the car still does not work, the only last option is to use the car key and nose in to push the stop-start button. If that doesn't work, you may have a dead or flat 12 battery. You will need to call the roadside assistance or get you someone to jump-start your vehicle. And that's how to get in and start your Haval GWM vehicles in case there is an emergency. I hope you found this content helpful. If you do not forget to subscribe and like. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, I will see you next video. Thank you very much.